Hey guys, we're here today to replace this crap with hood pins. So let's get drilling. So when your hood latch doesn't work, i.e. just kind of pull it, doesn't want to do anything, you can use a screwdriver. You get up underneath and pry it over. So when you pull up, pry it over. Dang it, not working. Here we go. So you want it. Oh my gosh. Alright. Kind of get it in on an angle. There we go. So, what we learned is you got to get it in at an angle and pry over. Now this thing's coming off. Haha. Doesn't it look nice? It got cleaned. Check it. It got cleaned, so it looks really stinking good. It's great. All right, so for the hood pins, you're gonna wanna find a way to mark it. I think eyeliner works pretty well. Get on there. We were gonna use toothpaste and then I forgot the toothpaste, so we're using eyeliner. So then, pull it down. Let it, make sure it rests. Pull it up. That right there and right there. We're on a real low on battery here.
We can make it. I believe.
I love this. That's all we got left. Dang it. Well, the drill battery may have been dying. Our spirits were not. We persevered. And by the next morning,